Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Word Unlocked.
Hi, listeners. We are so happy to have you here today. I am Sarah.
And I am Jake. This is the podcast where we teach you useful English words and phrases.
That is right. And today we have a very fun word for you.
Yes, we do. Today, we are looking at the word crave, or the noun form craving.
C-R-A-V-E. Crave.
So, Sarah, for our beginner learners, what does the word crave actually mean?
To crave something means you want it very, very much.
It's not just a small want, it's a very big, strong want.
Exactly. You feel like you need it right now.
We use it a lot for food, like when you are very hungry for one special food.
Like pizza. If I really, really want pizza, I can say, I crave pizza.
Yes, but it's not only for food. You can crave other things too.
You can crave sleep, or you can crave a holiday.
We have 5 common chunks to show you today. These chunks are groups of words that go together.
Learning these chunks will help you use the word crave perfectly.
Let's start with chunk number 1. The first one is have a craving for.
Have a craving for something.
How do we use this one, Sarah?
We use this when we have a very strong want for a specific food or drink.
It's like your body is saying, I need this food right now to feel happy.
Yes, exactly. Let me give you an example sentence.
Please do.
After working on the computer for 6 hours, I have a huge craving for fast food.
Oh, I know that feeling completely. Working hard makes you hungry.
Yes, you are tired, you do not want a healthy salad, you want a burger and fries.
So you say, I have a craving for fast food. It's a very natural thing to say.
It is, and it's much better than just saying, I want fast food. It shows a stronger feeling.
Okay, let's look at chunk number 2.
This one is crave attention or crave validation.
Crave attention. This is not about food at all.
No, it's not. This is about feelings. This is about needing other people.
What does it mean to crave attention?
It means you deeply need other people to look at you or notice you.
And crave validation? What is validation?
Validation means people tell you you are doing a good job. You want them to say you are important.
I see. Let's hear an example sentence for this one.
He's a very good designer, but he constantly craves validation from the boss to feel safe.
That's a great example. He does good work, but he still needs the boss to say, good job, all the time.
Yes, if the boss says nothing, he feels bad because he craves that validation.
We all want people to say we do a good job, but craving it means you need it too much.
Exactly. It's a very strong need inside your mind. Ready for chunk number 3?
I am ready. Chunk number 3 is satisfy a craving.
Satisfy a craving. What does the word satisfy mean here?
Satisfy means you take action. You get the exact thing you wanted.
And then the strong feeling goes away. The craving stops.
Right. If I have a craving for chocolate and then I eat chocolate, I satisfy my craving.
You fixed the problem. Let me read the real example sentence.
Go ahead.
The company finally satisfied the user's craving for better privacy by making a safe chat app.
Oh, that's a business example.
Yes, the users really wanted more privacy on their phones. They had a craving for it.
So the company gave them a new app. They satisfied the craving.
It's a great phrase. You can satisfy your own craving, or a company can satisfy a whole group's craving.
Let's move to chunk number 4.
This one is very useful. It's craving a change, or craving a change of pace.
Craving a change. When do we use this one, Sarah?
We use it when we feel bored or when we feel tired of doing the same thing every single day.
Like when your life feels stuck and never changes.
Yes, you really want a new place to be or a totally new project to do.
You deeply want something different. Let's look at the example sentence for this.
After 5 years in the exact same job, the worker was deeply craving a change.
I understand that worker completely. 5 years doing the same thing is a long time.
It is. You wake up, you go to the same office, you see the same people.
So you don't just want a change, you crave a change. You need it for your energy.
It's a very common human feeling. Everyone craves a change sometimes. And now we're at chunk number 5.
The last chunk for today. It's a sudden craving.
A sudden craving. Sudden means it happens very fast.
It hits you right out of nowhere. 1 minute you're fine, the next minute you must have something.
Yes, it's an instant feeling. Let me read the example sentence for this one.
Please do, Sarah.
Right in the middle of the very stressful meeting, the boss got a sudden craving to just walk out and quit.
Oh, wow. That's a very strong sudden craving.
The meeting was very stressful, so the strong feeling came super fast.
The boss didn't plan it. The boss just suddenly wanted to leave everything behind.
Have you ever had a sudden craving like that?
Maybe not to quit my job, but I've had a sudden craving for ice cream in the middle of the night.
That's a much safer sudden craving.
Okay, now it is time for our real-life stories.
This is my favorite part. We each share a short story using today's words. Deke, you go first today.
Okay, last winter it was raining every single day here. I was inside my house all week long.
That sounds very boring.
It was. By Friday, I felt so bored and tired. I was really craving a change of scenery.
So, what did you do?
I drove 2 hours just to walk in a different town in the rain.
You drove 2 hours just to walk in the rain somewhere else?
Yes, I just needed to see something different. I satisfied my craving for a change.
That is a great story. Sometimes you just have to do it.
What about your story, Sarah?
Well, last night I was watching a beautiful movie about Italy. In the movie, everyone was eating fresh, hot pasta.
Let me guess what happened next.
Yes, I got a sudden craving for pasta. It was 10 o'clock at night.
Did you make some?
I went straight to the kitchen and cooked a huge bowl of spaghetti.
Did it taste good?
It was perfect. I definitely satisfied my craving.
That is great. Okay, let us do a quick wrap-up of today's chunks.
Good idea. Today we talked about the word crave and craving.
First, we learned have a craving for, like having a craving for fast food.
Second, we learned crave attention or crave validation. This is when you deeply need people to tell you that you are great.
Third was satisfy a craving. That means getting what you deeply want so the feeling goes away.
Fourth was craving a change. We use this when you are bored and need something new in your life.
And fifth was a sudden craving, a strong want that happens instantly out of nowhere.
Now it is time for your homework, listeners.
We want you to practice. Write one sentence using the word crave or craving.
Tell us about a time you had a sudden craving for a specific food. What was it?
Write your sentence down and say it out loud. Practice makes perfect.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode of Word Unlocked.
Yes, and talking about all this food gave me a sudden craving for pizza.
We better go satisfy that craving right now then.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
See you next time. Bye.